Hear me when I say this is by far the best meatloaf I have ever fixed. Ground turkey with ground lamb. Yummy. You're first going to do some whole milk, your panko breadcrumbs, some olive oil, your onion, garlic. I used the white mushrooms in this one. You're going to do a pound of the ground turkey, a pound of the ground lamb, Parmesan cheese, Worcestershire sauce, salt, pepper, and parsley, and also 2 eggs. So the first thing you're going to do is put the milk in the panko breadcrumbs in a small bowl and just set it aside. After that, you're going to add your onions to a pan, cook them till they get, like translucent. Then you're going to add your garlic and mushrooms and cook for another about 3-4 minutes, whatever. Set that to the side. Then you're going to place the ground turkey with the ground lamb, Parmesan cheese, Worcestershire sauce, salt, pepper, parsley, the onion mixture in a mixing bowl, and pour the eggs in the panko mixture. After that, you're going to clean your hands up real good. And yeah, you're going to use your hands. And you're going to mix all of that goodness together. Just mix it very good. And once you get it mixed, some people like to put their meatloaf in a pan. I like to put mine in a loaf pan. I just put some parchment paper in that loaf pan and then just pour the meatloaf in that loaf pan. Even it out real good and set that aside. And then you're going to make the sauce for it. Very simple. It's ketchup, brown sugar, dry mustard, and Worcestershire sauce. Mix that up really good. Don't put the whole thing of sauce on the top of that meatloaf right now. You're just going to spread some on the top just to cover it. And then once it cooks for about 40 minutes, you're going to put the rest on it. You're going to cook this about an hour and 15 minutes or till your liking. And just remember, you all, don't ever think that you have to just fix meatloaf with ground beef. You can fix meatloaf with ground chicken, ground turkey, of course, ground lamb, ground pork, whatever you prefer. And just be creative and mix it up. I promise you, hubby will love you forever with this ground turkey and ground lamb meatloaf. Let me know how you like this and enjoy.